Hello guys, this is Jeff, and I am your average camper. Well, at least today I am. So my cousin and I, we put together this little spur of the moment, impromptu little camping trip. And so we're just hanging out here. Things haven't been perfect. That's my cousin, Jason.
Hello, enjoying the weather.
Yeah, it's nice. The sun just went down. We're out. It's middle of June, but it's not too hot. And, had a few little snags. It seems like the wood is pretty wet. We just had a good rain, so we couldn't find any dry wood out here. So we're having a little trouble. Let me swing you guys around. Having a little trouble with the fire. It's getting there. Went down in the woods to try to find a little bit of firewood, and was down there wondering what the heck had made the trails in the woods. Well, let me show you. I found out what made the trails. It was cows, and I stepped in a nice big chunk of cow poop. So it's not funny. Things aren't perfect, but we are out here with the campfire, and we're just hanging out and spend the night out here. I got some new gear I'd like to talk about. I don't know if I'll do that tonight, maybe a little bit in the morning, because we're losing daylight and really just looking forward to relaxing right here. So yeah, I got a few new things we should talk about, so I think we'll do that in the morning. All right, I thought I'd do a little walk around before the sun goes down completely. Introduce you to Mo. Say hello, Mo.
Say hello, Mo.
He's a little tuckered out. So we're here. My cousin, he works for a guy who's got a little bit of land, and we're on one of their farm. It's a cow farm, and we're camped out on the edge of the woods. But there's quite a view. I don't know how the light's gonna work out here, but we're up on this hill, camped out next to some woods here, and it's quite a nice view, really. It's a relaxing spot. So I'm gonna sit down and crack a beer and relax and try to get this fire going. All the wood's a little wet, but it's going, so it's not too bad. But I guess we'll have to see.
You could stop it and replay it just to see what it looks like, or can you? You can obviously download it to your computer or something, right? Then you can see or to your phone. Send it to your phone. Then you can see what it actually looks like.
Oh, your lighter is? It is morning time. Oh. I think I might be out of fuel. Probably should have filled it up, huh? Alright, it's time to make a little bit of coffee. I'm probably going to run out of fuel before this boils, so I'll have to stop and fill it up. Oh, I didn't get much film last night at all. Seems like we got everything kind of set up, got a fire going, and then the owner of this land stopped by, and we were just hanging out, and it's kind of tough to film when everybody's just hanging out, talking by the campfire, so we'll get some coffee going this morning. Talk about some of the new stuff I bought, which number one is the Stanley coffee press. Stopped at Walmart, picked it up before I came out. Also got this Stanley cook set. Picked up a cheap sleeping bag, Ozark Trail, and also a cheap sleeping mat, $10 at Walmart, $10 each. This is the Stanley Boil and Brew, I think is what it's called. It's pretty common. There's 100 reviews on it on YouTube. I think it's like $21 at Walmart. We're going to test it out this morning. Sleepyhead's still asleep over there in his truck. Love this little Coleman stove. Alright, we are boiling. This Coleman stove boils water in no time. It's 32 ounces. I don't know what it took, maybe 3 minutes, maybe a little more. One of these days I'll time it out. So that's kind of nice. Handles are pretty cool still. A little bit warm up towards the top. I think Mr. Sleepyhead Jason likes his coffee pretty strong. So another thing I bought while I was at Walmart, a cheap set of cutlery, camping utensils. Ozark Trail, I think. I also picked up a new mag light. I own one of these. Went ahead and picked up another one for the trip. These things are pretty awesome. I'm going to stir that up. Just stir. Let it sit for just a bit. I honestly didn't sleep well last night. There's a lot of noise here. So we're not too far out of town. So I don't know, like 3 trains came through here whistling. They can't be more than a quarter mile away, it seemed like. Road noise from the highway, sirens, fireworks, or gunshots, or both, I don't know. But in either case, it's morning time now. Alright, we ready for this? It doesn't get much easier than that. Alright, turd, coffee's on. Man, I think you're going to have to get up and come out here and say hi to YouTube. I don't know if I let it sit long enough. I don't have much experience with these press things. A little bit of sugar. There it goes. It's hot. It's pretty strong. It's going to need a little more sugar. I didn't bring any breakfast. Coffee's all I got. It's not bad. Not bad. Very quick. 32 ounces of coffee in about 3 or 4 minutes. Maybe a little longer. 5 minutes? Chairs. Well, the view up here is pretty nice. But we can hear every sound up here from that highway. So I didn't sleep very well. But it's still nice to get out here and hang out by the fire and drink a beer or two, hang out with some people that I just met. I don't know if you can hear that, but that train apparently is just driving in circles around the campsite. It's about the 4th train since, I don't know, midnight. Here's another view. I was told there's a couple places over here that are better campsites, so maybe next time we'll check them out. We have this gate. We didn't go past the gate last night. But the guy who owns this land came out and hung out with us a bit, and you know, he was telling us that there's a nice spot over here that him and his son used to camp. Maybe we'll get a chance to go there. Alright guys, I'm all packed up in the truck. My cousin already left. He headed down, had to go to the bathroom, so we headed home. All the rest of the water and ice went on the campfire. Everything's been cleaned up, and it's time to head on home. So get on out of here. Hopefully get to come back to this place again. So until then, I'll see you guys later.